Hello guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to do this smooth reverse in CapCut. Before we begin this video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First, find the clip that you want to make the reverse effect on. Then split the clip. Zoom into the timeline. Make the clip 0.8 times speed. Change the aspect ratio to 3:4 or your desired ratio. Set the resolution frame rate and bitrate to max, then export project. Then open a new project and add the clip that you just exported. Zoom into the timeline. Go to Speed, Curve, Custom, and follow the custom curve I make. After that, make two keyframes. Zoom into the second keyframe and add the ease out graph. Duplicate the clip and click reverse. After it's reversed, go to Speed, Curve, Custom, and copy my curve again. Add the ease in graph. With the transition mix, and your reverse is done.